welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming myself into Princess Peach. She's one of my favorite characters to cosplay of all time. If you look at any of my other social media, I've done like Easter looks with her, Halloween, Christmas. I'm literally obsessed. She's like absolutely one of my favorite. The next one I want to do is like a bridal looking one because I've seen some and they're like really cute. So that'll probably be my next cosplay photo shoot for her. And then I'm sure there'll be plenty more. But yeah, I just love her so much and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. So, I have my foundation on and my eyebrows on. So next I'm going to go with this stroke of a light to brighten under my eyes. Because I absolutely love it from the last video I reviewed this for you guys. So I'm using it again for this cosplay transformation. Now, I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and blend this out. Right, we're blended. Now, I'm going to put my bake on over that loveliness. So make sure everything is really smooth under your eye first. So just blend it out. Then you take your powder, just really push it in there. A little bit on the other side, just push under there nice so it's all blended out. And then put your powder. Do a tiny bit on the nose, and then on the forehead. And your under eyes should look a little crazy with all that powder on them. Next I'm going to go in, I'm just going to do a tiny bit of contouring. So we've got that on. I'm just going to go in with this little brush here. Just kind of like blend away. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that tan bronzer. Just going to bronze those up in that spot. Just a tiny bit. So next I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm going to use that fantastic plastic pink because it's literally perfect for this look. Sparkly and baby pink. Okay, now I'm just going to go and wipe away this powder from under my eyes. Alrighty, next, I'm going to go back in with that Bare Minerals thing I used the other day. I'm just going to use the highlight as my highlighter because it's just so beautiful. Okay, now that our highlight is on, I'm just going to go in with that matte powder. Then we're going to do a little bit of eyeshadow. We don't need a whole lot just because a lot of characters don't have extreme amounts of makeup on. But we do need a little bit. So I'm going to go with this super pale color at the bottom corner of my Carli Bybel palette and put that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to use this super pale sparkly pink here in my crease. Next, I'm just going to go right below that color with this mauvish color. Just intensify the crease a little bit more. Alright guys, next I'm going to use this like baby pink highlight on my lid. Because why not? I'm actually going to use this brush instead of a more flat brush. I'm just going to go back in with that first pink. Just going to blend down a little bit more. And like I said, she doesn't really have much of a makeup look, so I'm not going to go overboard with her look. So this is all for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and do my beautiful baby wings, even though they're probably not going to be baby. Oh, that's one wing. Now I'll do my other wing. Wings are on, looking fabulous. Alright, mascara. I'm just going to take my first brush again, blend out my eyeshadow a little bit more to the eyeliner. Now, we're going to line these lipples. Keep forgetting I need to sharpen this, so we'll see how far we get. Alright guys, next I'm going to be going in with my Queen Bee Too Faced Matte Liquid Lipstick. I absolutely love this color. It's so pretty. It always looks so nice with like any look. Alright, the lippies are on. Now we just gotta glue on our lashes and then get the rest of ourselves put together and we'll be good. Do any of you guys get the watery eyes with your allergies? That's what I'm dealing with. They're like super pissed today. They're like, no, we want you to not have nice makeup and cry it all off. Eyelashes on. Now we're going to spray our Urban Decay All Night Makeup Setting Spray. All nighter. Sorry guys. Because we want to keep this on all night long, right? Or all day, whatever time frame it is that you're doing this for your cosplaying extravaganzas. Because it could be night or day. There's like nighttime parties and stuff, right? At least there are here. After like Comic-Con, they have like parties you can go to as your character and be all cute and whatnot. Alright, now we're going to take these ears off, bring over this hair. So now I'm just going to take my hair, pin it up. Sometimes I'll just take it into like a ponytail-like thing, kind of twirl it, and then take it in weird ways, and then just pin it down. If I don't have a wig cap, which I do, I just bring it, because why would I want to make anything easy, right? Then I like to pin the front, just because these hairs like to like get all crazy. Now, we're going to take our trusty little wig, pull it out, brush it out a little bit, because this wig likes to be a little extra. We're going to take our trusty little wig, and fix it. Wig on. Next is our lovely little crown. And this I'll pin on to the hair, just because it doesn't like to sit all the time. So just kind of go in, pin that bad boy down, so you can like actually move your head. It's on! Then you have to wear your gloves, because Princess Peach always wears gloves. Now I'm Princess Peach! So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Princess Peaching it up. And this outfit, I had it made, so you will not find it anywhere unless you contact the lady that made it. Her name is Parasite Eve Designs. So it is literally one of a kind, but you can have her make you one if you like it. And yeah, so that's it. This is the full look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mario, where are you? I'm stuck in this castle with no makeup.